What if I told you air inside your room is deadlier than the smoke outside? Har saal, 4.3 million deaths are just because of indoor air pollution. So, hello everyone, this is Dr. Community, and today we are going to cover topics like indoor air pollution, monitoring of air pollution, and its effects on human health, and its prevention and control. Now, indoor air pollution. A human being spends most of its time indoors. So, major sources of pollution are combustion of solid fuels, tobacco smoking. Now, indoor air pollution impacts like stroke, it can cause heart diseases, it can cause COPD, pneumonia, and lung cancers. Now, wanted pollutants are carbon monoxide released by faulty heaters, nitrogen dioxide by gas stoves, lead by old paint dust, and VOC by furnishing and cleaning supplies. Now, fuel and tobacco combustion releases carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, PAH, and volatile organic compounds. Now, furnishing and construction releases aldehyde, and remodeling and demolition releases asbestos and lead. Now, biological pollutants are released by damp materials and furnishing and by pets. Now, monitoring, how do we monitor this air pollution? By sulfur dioxide, this is one of the major gas, then soiling index or smoke index, then grit and dust measurement, and then by coefficient of haze and air pollution index. Now, one is sulfur dioxide and other is smoke soiling index. In this, known volume of air is filtered with white paper under specific condition, and it is monitored by, and the stains are measured by photoelectric meter. Now we have grit and dust measurements, which involves deposit gauge that collects the grit, and it is analyzed monthly. Now, coefficient of haze is used by USA for assessing the amount of smoke and aerosols. Air pollution index involves carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and coefficient of haze. Now, major index that we follow is air quality index. It has 8 elements: gaseous, particulate matter, and heavy metals. Gaseous में particulate matter में we have 2.5 and 10. Gases में we have nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, ozone, and ammonia. Now 0 to 50 is considered good, up to 100 is considered satisfactory, more than 200 is considered poor, and 301 and 400 very poor, and more than 400 is severe. Now guidelines: carbon monoxide should be about 30 microgram per hour. Ozone should be about 150 microgram per hour. Carbon monoxide should be milligram. SO2 is about 350 microgram per hour, and lead should be 0.5 to 1 microgram per year. Now we'll talk about effect of air pollution. There can be health impacts and as well as social and economic impacts like destruction of plant life and animal life. And building damage can be there, corrosion of metals can be there in social and economic life. अब हेल्थ में हमारे पास immediate effects आते हैं, and we also have immediate effects में we have suffocation, like one that has happened in London in 1952, a smog that has caused suffocation, and then we have acute bronchitis. In delayed we have chronic bronchitis and lung cancers, asthma, COPD can occur. Now there are multiple air pollutants like oxides of nitrogen, hydrocarbons, ozone, sulfur dioxide, and lead. Oxides of nitrogen are released by automobiles, heaters, combustion of wood. Now it can cause irritation, bronchial hyperactivity, bronchiolitis, obliterans. Now hydrocarbons can cause CA lung. Ozone can cause irritation and decrease in exercise, and then asthma and COPD are common. Now again biological will have acute bronchitis, and delayed impact will have bronchial hyperactivity, and neuropsychological impairment can also occur because of lead. Now prevention. Prevention can be done by containment, by enclosure and ventilation. It can be done by replacement of fuels with solar light, natural gas, and prevention can be done by dilution, by applying green belts, and it can be done by legislation, by Air Act from 1981, by following the legislation. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe, and follow for more.